Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will share our full review of the OnePlus Watch 2R. This is a new smartwatch from OnePlus and this is powered by Google Wear OS. I have been using this for more than a week, just like how I use my phone normally every day. So let's check it out. We already published our unboxing, first impressions and other related helpful videos. I'll share them in the description along with the product link. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. I'm not using any smartwatch at the moment regularly, but I have some experience using Samsung Galaxy watches previously. This is my wife's smartwatch actually, but I have used this for some time to test and review for this video. We picked the gunmetal grey color for this one. This watch is also available in forest green color. Both of them are same size, just different color themes, grey and green. I like the way how this watch looks, not very modern, not very classic. It's just a combination of both. I love the overall size of this watch and also the screen. It is easy to touch and control. The display here is AMOLED and it is decently bright enough when we go outdoors. We have two buttons here, home button and multifunction button or power button. At the back, we have the optical sensor here. This is the optical health sensor and this is the charging port with the microphone and the speaker areas at the back. This is a 22mm watch strap. We can easily remove and attach any strap we want. I got a magnetic light green band online for this watch too. We have Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor inside this smartwatch and this is powered by Google Wear OS and RTOS. Just like how we have Google Android OS on our smartphones, it's almost the same here. We have Google Wear OS for smartwatches. And RTOS stands for Real-Time Operating System. I think it's a lightweight OS for a particular set of tasks. Apparently using two operating systems and switching them according to the work we do helps with the overall battery life, which is actually good. I had no performance issue with the watch so far. Everything is smooth. Also, we have 32GB storage on this. We can install our favorite apps, download songs or store any data we want on this smartwatch. If you are completely new to Google Wear OS, then you don't have to worry. It's just like how we use Android operating system on our phone. As of now, we have Wear OS 4.0 version here. We can find many of our favorite Android apps. I'll make a separate video about the best apps soon. We can go to the Play Store here, this one, and we can install any apps we want. Since this is a fitness kind of watch, we can find several fitness apps like Adidas Running, Google Fit, All Trails, Nike Run Club, cycling app and so much more. And also we have a lot of health related apps here. This is very smooth to use. We have 2GB RAM on this watch to manage the overall load and it helps with the performance too. I have been using multiple apps continuously without any issue. We can also make phone calls using this smartwatch, but that is possible only after connecting with a smartphone. It's like a mirrored version. We don't have eSIM feature on this watch. The microphone and speaker quality while making the phone calls are just kind of decent, but that's the whole point, I guess. It's just for quick answering and casual communications. Talking about the fitness aspect, we have a dedicated button here that will list out all the workouts. We just have to select this and here we can choose whichever we want. For example, personally I do walking, cycling and badminton the most. Sometimes I go for trekking as well when I am with my friends. We have options for everything including various sports. We can swipe here and find the data for all the activities we have done. We can select anything we want. We can also use the OHealth app on our phone to get more detailed data. The GPS accuracy is pretty good as well. We have dual frequency GPS on this smartwatch, which helps us to give accurate navigation and tracking. We can get more data on our phone's OHealth app, and we have a lot of watch faces for showing different activities, fitness activities. We can select whichever we want. We can choose anything we want by just long pressing this. We can long press the screen and we can choose anything we want. We have a lot of health apps as well on this smartwatch. Like we have stress, sleep, SpO2, heart rate, and all such things. All these apps, along with the optical health sensor, gives us good data about the kind of things we need to know about our body. But this smartwatch, or let it be any smartwatch, is not a 100% accurate medical device. If you have any serious sleeping issues or heart issues, the first thing you should do is to contact your doctor or visit a nearby hospital as soon as possible. All these data given by the watch will be really helpful to track our progress and give us an idea, but that is just an idea, not a proper diagnosis. But anyway, I'm glad smartwatches are improving their sensors to give us as much as information as possible. I use the OHealth app, this is OnePlus Health app, to read all the informations. A lot of new medical terms, but it's good to know them. I'll cover each app separately in different videos in the future. The overall battery life is good for my usage. I use this smartwatch for like 3 days regularly without charging. I primarily use this for listening to audiobooks or music via Bluetooth, or doing some activities like walking or badminton, using Google Maps, and just random stuff like checking email or messages. All this without always on display. And we get this VOOC or VOOC charger with us. This is actually pretty powerful. We can recharge our watch when we take a break or go for a shower, and by the time we are ready, it will have enough battery to manage the whole day. And we can also activate the power saver mode to get enough battery to run for so many days. We can activate it like this. We can go for smart mode or power saver mode. We cannot talk in detail about the pros and cons of this watch because for this price range, I guess they provided what they could, and they don't want to give the same features available on the OnePlus Watch 2, the previous version. Like for example, the previous version had a sapphire crystal display and this one doesn't. But I really hope that they would give eSIM option for this, even if they increase the price a bit. I guess we just have to wait for the OnePlus Watch 3 or the OnePlus Watch 2 Pro model, I guess. So finally, should you buy this smartwatch? If you want a good smartwatch which is not very expensive, which is powered by Google Wear OS, and which gives you enough battery life, then this is something you can actually pick. You can definitely enjoy using this. I would say the same for the previous OnePlus Watch 2 model, which comes with stainless steel and sapphire crystal display, a bit more durable and a bit more expensive than Watch 2 are. But if you want eSIM option, or if you are ready to spend more money to buy a smartwatch, then you can check out the latest Samsung Galaxy watches. If I get a chance to use one, I'll definitely compare both of them in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts about the latest OnePlus Watch 2 or smartwatch in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.